Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to customize the text and label text on your delivery date picker for your Shopify store. First of all, make sure you've installed the Flare app on the Shopify App Store. Second, make sure you've completed the first step in setup, which is to add your delivery date picker to your theme. If you haven't done this yet, see below this video for the guides on how to do so. Once you've added to your theme, if you want to change the text inside the delivery date picker, click on the Flare homepage in the app, and then you'll see the dashboard, and you'll see that the location for us is we've placed it on the cart page. Click on Customize, click on Edit Text, and you'll be taken to the page that allows you to edit text for the cart page date picker, which we have activated. If you've chosen the product page date picker, that it'll take you to the page where you can edit text on the product page date picker. What you will see is on the left are the text fields that you can update. So in this example here is a preview on the right. I'm going to change this to choose date, and you'll see that'll update on the right hand side preview. Once you've changed and edited the text to your liking, you can click on Save in the top right. Then, when you go to preview this on your live online store, you can see that the text has updated to match what we've saved in our settings, choose date. That's how you update the text on your delivery date picker for your Shopify store. Thank you.